Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our Manhattan single flat door. This is one of my dad's designs. He actually designed this while we were having dinner one day. Put a piece of paper in front of him. I told him I need some new designs. We did this. This is one of our newest designs, probably about 2 years old, roughly. It's got a lot of scroll work, straight bars, leaves, flowers. It's got all the goodies on there. This door does not have a kick plate, which means the glass goes all the way down. We have made this door with the kick plate on some custom orders customers wanted. So that's definitely possible if you guys want it. That means we can put a kick plate on the bottom. This door is oil rub bronze with low E glass in it. You'll see the reflection a little bit when the sun's hitting it. Super cool door. I think and also this door is available in double also. So on the double, this will get duplicated on the opposite side, so you have two facing each other. Super cool door. I'm going to flip this around and show you guys how the back end looks. All right, we're on the back side of the Manhattan. Show you guys how the glass opens up. Untwist those knobs, glass opens up. That makes it easy to clean the scroll work, clean the glass. Also remember there's different kinds of glass available on this if you like, that we usually stock. And also you can you can also order the door in a different color if you like in a custom. Screens are definitely available for these doors also. On a custom order we can add screens to this and you can use it to vent the house if you like. All of our doors, all the scroll work, this is all solid metal. It's not tubes that we use. So we don't use tubes to cut down on weight. We use actual solid rods of metal, and this is all hammered and banged to give it a sharp edge. But hope you guys like this, and if you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com or at 844-843-6677. Thank you.